What's going on, guys? This is Sensei Bongsta once again. Welcome to our new vlog. So today we're going to talk about lighting. So we have this kind of lighting wherein we have a fluorescent light on the top, fluorescent light on the other side, and then a really harsh shadow without this cap here on this side. So today we're going to talk about lighting. And how can we adjust cinematic kind of lighting ng ating setup from this kind of lighting into this kind of lighting. Okay guys, so we're back here, lighting setup. So which one you prefer? So this kind of setup is kind of a cinematic lighting setup. On this side is medyo maliwanag siya, and on this side is more darker, and we have lights from there, a little bit of green, and here a little bit of blue. So those are only add-ons na nilagay natin. Oh, it's actually red now. It's a RGB lights guys na in-add-on lang natin, wherein para mas pleasing sa eyes ng mga viewers. It's not that really expensive. It's only a cheap add-ons, wherein meron tayong $45 na RGB light here and $10 here, and the lighting of umbrella for $30. Yeah, and this thing that helps add on ng a little more of light sa ating left side. This thing, oh my god! Bought it from Dollarama for $1.50. So it helps reflect guys yung light dito, as you can see. The more farther, but pag lumayo siya medyo dark, and then see the difference pag nilapit ko siya sa face ko. And it's not really harsh light. It's only $1.50 sa Dollarama, wherein it will give a big difference, and it's only literally sa side ko. Parang nakaganon siya. Out of view lang siya ng ating camera. Okay, so yeah, so yan yung setup. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys the stuff that we use on this lighting. Okay guys, first on our list is the Sunfo RBG Video Light P10. Second, we have the RGB base light with acrylic. So the last one guys is the umbrella with the 5500 Kelvin bulb. Comes with the umbrella holder and tripod. And that's everything, the equipment that we used in order for us to achieve this cheap cinematic lighting on this video. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Aliexpress.com, wherein dito natin binili yung mga equipments na kinakailangan natin. So this acrylic 3D LED lamp base table nightstand is only for $461. So LED siya guys, as you can see here, nag-iiba yung kulay niya. And then it doesn't comes with the acrylics, something like this. It doesn't come with it. You need to buy it separately. And then it comes with the remote for RGB for changing colors. It also comes with battery or powered by USB. Okay, and the second one is yung ating Sunfo RBG video lighting. So pwede siya guys ng RGB full color light fill light. Then pwede rin siyang intermittent lightning, frequent lightning, at saka continuous lightning. Meron rin siyang candlelight mode, screen mode, and breathe mode. police car mode, ambulance mode, and fire truck mode. Pwede rin siya guys. So but yung basic na use niya, yung ginamit lang natin is just to put a steady light on our background for additional color ng inyong background. Okay, and then the next one is we have this photo studio lighting photo studio lighting kit. Isa lang yung ating binili dito, but you can also purchase for both for $35. So we can also purchase this for a single piece. That would be enough. So that would be enough guys. So it's less than $35 I think when you purchase just one. Okay, again dito tayo sa Aliexpress, doon natin yung binili. Ito yung website na ginagamit natin. It's more cheaper compared to Amazon because in Amazon dito rin sila kumakuha usually for supplier, but then they're selling it to their store in Amazon, but direct if we buy here, so it's much cheaper. So it's $47.44 pala guys yun. But before, I believe it's on sale. I got it for $45 for this one. And meron rin mga different options na pwede nyong bilhin. So our goal here is to provide pwede nyong gamitin sa araw-araw, or in case you decided na i-change yung background ng inyong video or vlog. You can also, this one Sunfo guys is really good for photography and geography. So yeah, so that's everything guys. Okay guys, for the total, so $5 para sa LED base RGB and $48 for Sunfo RGB light, and a $35 studio umbrella lighting. So that's the total of $88. So it's below 100 budget friendly guys, to achieve a very good lighting and to achieve the cinematic lighting, which will benefit your video, and also mas maganda yung dating ng video nyo. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and I hope you learn something and gain something. So again, this is Sensei Bong signing out.